I wanted to get on here and talk to you directly because this is a perfect question. First, it is imperative that you do your hotel research because a lot of places, Ohio, have horrible hotels and they're not the cleanest. When it comes to research, I want you to Google Maps it, look at the surrounding areas, check how long it's going to take to get to the event, and check to see what kind of stores and other locations are around you. I also want you to check the reviews because even if it has 4 stars, those reviews will be like 2 and 1 most of the time. So check those reviews, see what they're saying, and make your decision based off that. I'll say it 1 time, 2 times, quadruple times. Always check the location of the hotel and don't trust the pictures. I booked a hotel that I trusted the pictures on, and the freaking thing didn't have a roof, and there was a bunch of crackheads walking around, twitching and itching. And lastly, if it's a camping festival, I say camp. Camp better than hotel. That way you're already on the grounds, you don't have to go anywhere, and everything is taken care of right there for you. I hope that helps.